All right, got a big day on the homestead today. We are at the end of our first big paddock that we set up for our sheep. So today we gotta finish setting up our new paddock, and it is raining. The sun is out. So we gotta make sure these sheep don't get in this dog food. So we're gonna set up a new paddock, and then we also have our first frost, or freeze, not a frost, our first freeze is tonight. So I gotta get our potatoes out of, gotta harvest all of our potatoes because everything always happens on the same day. So it's gonna be a busy day. This is the moment that I realized I was going to have to science this because I was not strong enough. I didn't have the hand strength to get these clips to go onto the T-post. So I tried various methods before discovering how I can get these to go onto the post. So after I've struggled for over an hour, I called my dad because I could not get these on, and all I had to do was put them in hot water, and now they're going on. It's been a great morning. Last one. Now to get the wire ready. All right, got all the wire run for paddock number 1. So now I gotta wait for some help because I gotta get them from way down at the end of that one all the way through this, and I'm gonna go all the way to the back of this one. And so I'm waiting for people to help because the sheep are going to go everywhere and they're going to want to eat the grass as they go. So I'm going to wait for my kids to get out of school. All right, well, we ran out of time this year. Figured we would. First freeze is coming. I just pulled my first potato plant. I knew I had new potatoes because we already had some flowers, but the skins aren't hardly developed. So looks like I'll be canning all of these potatoes, but that's from the first plant, so not bad considering we really planted them very, very late. And I don't want them to turn to mush, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull them and then get to canning.